What's up? This is Jeff, and the channel is NYCCorvette. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily clean and protect the leather seats in your car. Products that we'll be using are going to be the AMMO Lather Interior Cleaner and also the AMMONYC Interior Conditioner. The tools that we'll be using will be some brushes and microfiber towels, and we're also going to be using an applicator pad later on for the AMMONYC Interior Conditioner. Okay, we're going to start with these two problem areas of the seat. We're going to take our AMMO Lather Interior Cleaner and we're going to spray it in the head of the brush like so. Then we're going to take it and work it into the fabric, work it into the leather rather, like so. And this is called tickling the leather. And then we're going to wipe it before it goes away. And one of the things you don't want to do is you don't want to let this sit on, and I think I have to reapply it again. You don't want this to sit too long and dry up, because what happens is the dirt then gets redistributed somewhere else, and we don't want that. Okay, so after 2 applications, we can see that those spots are gone. And I'll bring you in a little closer. Okay. Here's another area of the seat where the ring for the control panel sat. And you see a lot of dirt got in behind there. So we're going to take care of that, and always rotate your microfiber towel as you are cleaning. You don't want to reintroduce any dirt back into your fabric. So now, if you can, it's always good to remove things. Like I removed the controls off the seat. And if you can't remove it, you do the best you can. And move on from there. All right. I'm going to flip it again. See, there's a spot here I need to get to. Looks like I need one more application. I think we got it. Okay, we're gonna work on this light leather piece right here. And you can tell the difference between here and there. If you look at the rag, you'll see that it's pulling out the dirt. And one thing you want to do is you want to have multiple microfiber towels, because you don't really want to reintroduce the dirt that you took from one part of the seat back into another part of the seat. Let me finish this up. And you can see the dirt and the bubbles. So you can see that's much brighter than what it started out. I'm going to go off camera and finish cleaning the rest of the seat, and then we'll come back and do the protection section. Okay, the seats are now clean. And what happens when you clean leather and vinyl, the dirt that you removed leaves an empty space. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the AMMONYC conditioner and we're going to fill those pores with the conditioner. And what this does is it keeps the leather soft and supple, and it helps to prevent premature cracking in the material. And after that, we're going to come back and buff it out to a matte finish with a microfiber towel. So this is a foam applicator pad. This one happens to have some ridges in it, but you don't have to use one with ridges in it like this. This is just happens to be what I had on hand. And it's going to do the job. And we'll apply it. What I like to do is just do the seat in sections, taking it one section at a time, and that way we know that we get the mousse covering the seat. Okay. Make sure you get underneath in these hard to reach areas. I'm glad I took off the controls here because that allows me to get areas that would normally not be serviced by this process. As you can see, the seat has a nice high gloss to it. Now we've let the mousse interior conditioner sit on the seats for a while. Now we're going to take a microfiber cloth and buff it to a matte finish. Every so often we want to turn the microfiber towel so we don't build up the product inside the towel. We are done. Okay, as you can see, it's not as shiny as it was before. There's a little high spot right here. So what we'll do is we'll take and wipe that down a little bit. Come around back and take a look. Okay, that does it. The seats are clean, they're protected, and they're ready to go back in the vehicle. I highly recommend the AMMO Lather Interior Cleanser and the AMMONYC Interior Conditioner. Both these products work well, they apply easy, they come off easy, and they give you a great look without a lot of effort. So I'm just going to recommend also, if you have work to do on the carpet or fabric interior, to use this shag fabric cleaner, also from AMMO. They work well. With that being said, I hope this brings value to you. If so, please send a like, subscribe to the channel, and add comments, because the comments help the channel as well as the community to grow and be better. And this is Jeff signing out, and I'll see you running the streets.